The biggest contradiction in our culture today is calling medicine healthcare. We spend $2.7 trillion per year, and we're incredibly sick as a culture.
I don't think any of us would have a problem spending that much money if we got results, but we're not getting the results for that investment.
I feel worse now than I did 2.5 years ago when I started seeing, I'm told, some of the best people in the business.
Nobody has had the good sense to say, Mr. Morris, we don't know what's wrong with you.
I went to numerous doctors, and my husband said, "What do we do now?" And she looked at him and she goes, "She was sending me home to die."
We're seeing patients that truly have had the best healthcare money can buy. They've been to every specialist, and they're sort of missing this important piece.
Alternative treatment has not been allowed to flourish in the medical community. It's basically been stifled.
The AMA's goal and objective was to contain and eliminate the profession of chiropractic, and they did it in the most clandestine way possible.
Put in drug administration, they were trying to put me out of circulation, put me to prison for life. Whenever you have the best results, then we are most viciously attacked by our peers.
I have a report from my family physician which tells how well I am doing. My tumors are leaving my body. Now the FDA is saying to me, no, your doctor is a criminal. He should be put in jail and he needs to be shut down. This is criminal.
All these things interact and have impact on individual people's lives.
He sat us down and he says, your son has cancer.
They did all these things to try to find some cancer, and every one of those tests came out negative. Yet the doctor still kept saying, well, we still expect you to come, Thursday morning to start chemotherapy.
We have patients that have absolutely no benefit from the surgery we provide.
I had a man come into my office the other day who had 8 back surgeries. He didn't need one of them.
People who had back pain, a manageable problem, they get put on this drug, and next thing you know, they substitute their back pain for a drug addiction.
I almost feel guilty because I'm, let's face it, a junkie.
The pharmaceutical industry doesn't have any respect for you. They're talking about which drug whore to get to promote their products. They have no respect for their whores.
GSK sales force bribed physicians to prescribe GSK products.
Every year, 125,000 people die from properly prescribed prescription drugs.
It's a cost of doing business, but lives are lost.